Hello again. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. This is just some comedy. So if you saw the short I made, or the reel, or whatever the heck to call it, depending on the platform, it's a reel or a short or it's a video. And heck, on Instagram, I think I just made it a regular post. Anyways, I was working on changing out my closet, moving my spring summer items out and bringing in fall winter items. Yeah, my nails are a hot mess. And I found a box like at the bottom back of my closet. So I look at it, and I've taken it off now for privacy reasons, but I looked and it had like the Louis Vuitton address on it. Like, wait a minute, did I order something and freaking forget I ordered something? And the more I'm thinking about it, it's been a few days since I posted it. It's just like, listen, it's either going to be a twilly or some earrings. I think it's a twilly now that I'm thinking about it. I think I was in the store and I wanted to get a matching twilly just for something I purchased. They didn't have it in store where I live. And so there was a sister store, like, 100 miles away that had it. And they were going to go ahead and order it for me and have it delivered. And they had it delivered all right. And I delivered it to the back of my closet. I just can't believe this. So this is going to be an unboxing. Let's see what we got going on here. So break the seal. And this is what it looks like when it comes from LV in the mail. Oh, I am ashy. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, it is what it is now. Let me not just keep that ash on TV like that. So I'm slowly opening it. My goodness gracious. You would think I was my mother's age, 78, not 48. Oh yeah, I need to get some lotion. Anyways, so now that I've opened, taking that off, and then shoot. Boop, boop. Oh, let me make sure there's no private information. No, there's not. Oop. There you go, Louis Vuitton. So I was correct, it is a Louis Vuitton package. Now let's see what's in here. Let me look before y'all look. Oh my goodness gracious, this is hilarious. This sure is a package. There we go. Bam. I don't believe this. I really don't. Let me see what's in here. Oh, this is the packing slip. Oh, the packing slip will give me the date. Okay, let's see how embarrassed I should be. This was, yep, around my birthday, February 22. What is it, October? Yeah, so 8 months ago. Jeez. Let's see what it is. Oh, it is. It's a bandeau. Let's see here. Let me see if I can fold this over so I don't show anything important. There we go. So this is what I got. It's a bandeau. Skyline. Aaron? I don't know. Let's see if I remember. Well, this is really like getting a present, because I don't remember what it looks like at all. My goodness, my skin. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's a damier print. I really always thought the tissue was clean. Open this on it. My skin is really bothering me. It just looks very... Oh, look at that. Oh, setting this back decades, y'all. As my mama would say. You set this back. Put some lotion on. Okay, this is it. 100% silk. Okay, let's see what was the birthday present I got for myself. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's right. I totally forgot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I totally remember now. Impulse purchases. This is what happens. It's an impulse purchase and you forget about it. Oh my gosh, that's right. It had the reverse monogram stuff on there. Oh, that's right. Oh, and this is perfect now for fall. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Let me see the other side. Look at all the bags. Oh, the Alma. I love the Alma. Oh, and this is actually on my wish list. Oh, that's the Papillon. I can't remember. The Boy. Yeah, well, you know, me and French don't get along. Oh, I'm so excited and happy. Ah! This is so nice. Oh, and I have a black button down shirt. I can wear this as a little tie on it. Oh, this is going to be nice. And this is the interior. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, I am very happy about a present that I purchased 8 months ago that I forgot about, and now it's new again. I love it. Darn it. Now I'm wishing I'd gotten 2 to put on handles. Now I'm just being silly. Okay, then. Anyways, that's it. I actually, let me see something here. I think I have, what do I have? Pretty sure I got something. Oh yeah, I know what I have. I got some, oops. It sounds like it's more than it is. But I ordered some catalogs recently for Chanel, and one of my orders happened to come with Louis Vuitton catalogs. And I didn't think about it. So I said, oh, I'm going to show you all this. I mean, I get Chanel catalogs any day, all day. So for instance, this is a Chanel catalog that I ordered. What I like to do is get catalogs from the year of pieces that I own to see if maybe they show up. So what year is this? So Chanel pieces, I mean. I don't know what this is. Ooh, this one comes with the price list. Oh, I like that. So yeah, 2012, 2013. I have a couple of pieces from this collection. So I just go online, check them out. But anyways, that's Chanel. That's not what we're talking about. And I'm glad this came with the price list. Ooh, let me look at this again. So let's see. Ooh, a belt, 3,000. 17. Ooh wee. I'm looking to see if there's any jewelry on here. I just like comparing jewelry prices. No. Anyhow, that's not. We're on here about LV, not Chanel. So maybe we'll go down the road. But this was in it. So I ordered it for the 2 Chanel catalogs, and I just didn't know the lot included this. So I was like, oh, Louis Vuitton. So since we're talking about LV, let's talk about LV. Or unbox this. Very nice. Tissue paper and everything. I don't know if anyone else is in catalogs, so if you're not into anything, if you're not into catalogs, you can go ahead and bounce out. So I'm just going to show these catalogs real quick. Oh, let's see here. Might as well make it a double unboxing. Let's see what this is. Ooh, 2005 pre-fall, huh? Okay. Ooh, that's lovely. Ooh, I like that ring. This hardware is a little, I think it's familiar. Ooh, my nails. Oh, I do them myself now. Let's see here. Louis Vuitton 2005. Oh, Marc Jacobs. Oh, and Marc Jacobs was doing it. Okay, then. All right now. And it also has a price list. Oh, I'm lucking out left and right with this one. What is this? All the different locations. That's fine. Oh, I like this. Oh, look at that. Oh, peppered skirt, epi leather. Yeah, I wish something was $700. Pumps. Oh my gosh, $650. Oh, the good old days. Oh, let's see. Are there any other bags in here? Hudson bag and monogram canvas, $13.20. Let's see. Pump. More bags. Alpaca dress. Ooh, this is exciting. I like seeing the prices the way they used to be. Oh. Lambskin gloves, $500. Oh, gold medal bracelet with medallion, $570. Wow, a tweeded knit skirt for $1,000. I don't think that's happening. Oh, look at this clutch. Monogram multicolor, $750. Can you believe that? And what is that, 15, 17 years ago? 2005, I think it said, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that is fun. That is fun. That's fun to me. Collectors know that kind of stuff, you know, we like. So yeah, so there's, oh, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna have fun looking at this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have fun looking at this. Oh yeah. Y'all let me know if you're interested in looking at, for me doing a video on the different catalogs that I have and taking a look at some of the pieces, but this was in great condition. Wow. Yeah. Let's see here. Oh, there's the bag. $750. Can you believe that? Back in the day. Oh, look at that. That price should be on that list somewhere, huh? Oh, look at this. Oh, that one was on there. Under $1,000. Those days are gone. Very much gone. Okay, sorry. So there's that one from 2005. That's so exciting. I love it. I love the price list. I love the pictures of the bags. Louis Vuitton clothing. I have a few pieces, but pretty much, well, Chanel too. But it has to be cut a particular way for it to fit me. With Louis Vuitton, it's mainly, if I want to just be safe, I have to get something on the men's side. Get it like a, you know, 4X, 3X, something like that. All right, let's see here. This looks like it's going to be shoes. Or maybe it's just a shoe on the front. Let's see here. Yep, I'm all Tiffany'd out today. Yay. They really are. Tiffany Bulgari. It helps distract from the ash. I'm just running my mouth. Oh, I'm delirious. Stuff came in the mail on my lunch break. Went to go grab it. I'm off and need to head home, but I thought, oh, hold on, let me go and do this unboxing. And then I remembered I have these catalogs too. So let's see what we have here. LV. What year is this? 2007, 2008. Oh, actually, this shoe I would rock right now. Huh. Alrighty, let's see what we have here. Collection 2007, 8. Oh, is it all shoes? Ooh, how exciting. Oh, yes, all shoes. Oh, no, there's a bag here. Oh, yeah, that was a really popular bag. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have fun looking at this too. Does this one happen to include a price list? Oh, does it? Oh, no. No price list, I guess. Or what is this? Yeah. Sorry about that. No, I guess it just describes the shoe. Yeah, it just describes it. Oh my gosh, I own these shoes. I own that shoe, not in this color. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I'm even more excited now. I own a piece from this collection. I own these shoes. This one right here. I'll have to take a picture of it and put it in make a thumbnail of it or put it on my Instagram. I love it. I love finding a catalog that reflects what I own. This is awesome. Total accident. My shoes aren't metallic. They're all, it's all earth tone, but I'll show you. Wow. Oh, maybe they're in here on another. Oh, they do have bags in here. Is that the Sully? I can't remember. I am so excited that my shoe is in here. Let's see if there's another, if there's another colorway in here. No. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Man, I might start obsessing over Louis Vuitton catalogs now. All right, y'all, that's it. If you stayed around, I hope you enjoyed our little foray through the catalogs. And yeah, let me know if you're interested. I'll do a video on catalogs. Heck, shoot, I might do it anyways because I get pleasure out of it. Okay, that's it. That's all I have. Can't believe I forgot about something I purchased from Louis Vuitton. All right, you guys, until next time, have a great one. Bye.